Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to sell something quickly, Facebook Marketplace lets you create a listing in few or in just a few minutes. Whether you are selling a car, electronics, clothes or furniture, the process is simple and beginner friendly. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a listing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Facebook, open the Facebook app, tap the Marketplace icon, okay? Tap here, see more, Marketplace. On desktop, click Marketplace from the left side bar, okay? Now, as you can see, tap create new listing, okay? Or sell, okay? So tap sell, tap create listing, and choose listing type, okay? Item for sale, vehicle, property, etc. So most sellers choose item for sale, okay? Or one item, okay? So now after that, add a picture, upload clear images of your item, use good lighting, show multiple angles, avoid blurry pictures. Listing with 3 to 5 photos perform best, okay? So enter title, after that set price, choose category, select condition, write description, be honest and clear, mention size, brand, defects if any, add keywords buyers might search, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.